Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Tradingview to Topstep. Really easy and simple. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first things first, you want to go ahead and log in to your Tradingview account. And then just head over to the chart section at the top menu, okay? And then you need to open up the trading panel. So at the bottom of the chart screen, you're going to click on the trading panel tab. And this will show you a list of available brokers and platforms. So you just want to look through the list and select Topstep as your broker. And if it doesn't appear, just search for it in the list and a login window will actually pop up. You just need to enter your Topstep account credentials to proceed. And if you're new to Topstep, you will need to sign up for an account first. Okay? And then after logging in, you just want to authorize Tradingview to connect to your Topstep account. This step basically ensures a secure and seamless integration between the platforms. Okay, and once connected, guys, you can analyze the market, use Tradingview's advanced tools and execute trades directly via Topstep within Tradingview. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.